Okay, in this segment we're going to do officers' reports. So we've started up QuickBooks. This is the home page. You click home, get you there, same as the other ones. Now we're going to go into the report center. That's on the top bar here. You'll see report center. Click on that. That'll get you into, there's like a ton of reports here in QuickBooks on how to do all kinds of stuff. It also gives you the ability to memorize reports. And that's what we've done. There's a bunch of them already memorized for our standard format for MCB. And on the top bar, you'll see some icons there. And over here, you'll see one called Memorize. Click on that. You get a list of reports. And you'll see three main categories. One for Motor City Bears events, members lists, and treasurer's reports. This one we're going to focus on the treasurer reports. And we pretty much do three of them for the main ones. So this is the first one's the previous year. We don't want that. We want MCB profit and loss. This is one of the ones we're going to do right here. So we'll click on that. Double click. That'll bring it up. Now it automatically will do the last month. That's what it's set at the top here for the last month. So it knows, like right now, this is February. So it's doing the January report for us. And it's itemized here for income. You'll see all the different activities here at the top. And if you wanted to click on any of them here, if something is in question or anything, you'll see the Z come up to zoom in. So you can go over top of the number, double click on that, and it'll give you full details of all that. So you can close that. If you make any changes, make sure you hit the refresh key here at the top to do that. So at that point we have all the incomes, and then we have all the expense down here on the bottom. Everything looks right. So we want to go ahead and save this as a PDF that we're going to mail out. We're also printed out for the being down there at the meeting. So under File, well, that's the active sheet there. Go under File, and we'll want Save as PDF, about 3/4 of the way down. Click on that, and pick wherever you want it to be, your file system. In my case, I've got it under My Documents. Hang on here. I'm on the wrong computer actually. For some reason it's over at Rob's. So My Documents, MCB Files, Treasury Reports, 07. This would be new 08. So actually I'm going to make a new folder. Well, we'll just put it in 07. I'll move it later. So these are all the ones I did before, and I know this is the profit and loss. So I just pick one with that same name, profit and loss. And then change at the beginning from August. This one was actually August last year, so I'm going to change it to January. And I'm going to put 08 after it, just to make sure it's the new year. And then do save. Takes a second, goes out. See the hourglass. And you're done. Okay, the next one we're going to do, go back to Memorize Reports. You can either close this and go back through. Another tip you can do to go through it, there's actually a drop-down menu here on the top that says Window. Click on that, and that'll show you all the open windows right now. In this case here, number 2 in the list is Memorize Report List. So click on that, it brings it up to the front. Okay, next one we want to do is Summary Balance Sheet. So we double click on that, and there's a report for that. And again, it's set as last month, so as of January 31st, it tells the amount here. In this case here, checking savings account, this is the amount in the bank. Accounts receivable, $200, that's showing that's the amount that our members owe us for memberships that are due right now. And that's it. That's all there is for that. So same thing, that's active. Go up to File, Save as PDF. And this is a summary balance sheet, so find the same title and then change the month to January 08. summary balance sheet, PDF, and save. Okay, that's all done. Another thing that usually is on this sheet here would be undeposited funds. It's not on here because we just recently made a deposit, so we don't have any extra funds here that are entered into the system. Alright, so next one, we'll go back up to Window again and go to Memorize Report Lists. And the third one is Profit and Loss, which we already done, but this is a detailed report. So this is the same thing except for it gives full detail of everything. This one, I'll actually print one of these out for the meeting, and I'll actually put this one out there to the Yahoo group so everybody's got full detail of all that. So again, you can look through this, and if anything doesn't look quite the way you want it to be, you can go ahead and do a little investigation to find out what's going on with that. So. Alright, so then we want to go to File, again, save as PDF, and then Summary, Profit and Loss Detail, and change that to January 08. And saving that. Take a little bit longer. It's a lot bigger file for this one. Alright, so that's all saved. Now there's those. Then what also I have is a kind of a form letter. This is my directory here. Going to Motor City Beers files. And treasure reports. And I got a file here that says text for email to the group. This is basically just a detail of that you'd see in your emails every month, just so I don't have to retype it all the time. And I just copy that, paste it in, attach those 3 files, and send it to the members only Yahoo group. Then that will automatically go through to all the members, and then upload the files to the file area of the Yahoo group as well. And that's it. That's basically covers it.